So for those of you that like using your phone for GPS and whatnot, and maybe you haven't charged it all day at work and you're riding home, this is a great way to do that. Let's unbox it. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel's Mobile Bore and Two Wheels. If this is the first time that you've watched my videos, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. Today we're just kind of running errands. I gotta get an extra key made for my house, and we gotta get some videos edited before I just hit up Starbucks, get some work done out of the house. If I'm not mistaken, I think Walmart has one of those like self-serve, almost like vending machine style, like key duplicator things, key maker things. So we're gonna go to Walmart. Putting all right on gas. The store, the other one. We'll take a look at both, I guess. Maybe park in the middle. And this is empty. When is Walmart ever this empty? I guess at 9:17 on a Tuesday. I'm just gonna go park over there. I'll see you guys inside.
Later.
Man, just like spit out my keys, but that was pretty cool. Let's hope they work. I got 2 keys made. Little designs on them for the same price. And you got one for free. Yeah. Alright, so today we're also gonna be doing a little on the road unboxing, I guess. But let me get all my stuff set up and I'll get back to it. So the last time I was taking the Ruckus to work, my phone started to get pretty low on the battery, so I went on Amazon and got some little packages. So this should plug directly into my little battery tender voltmeter plug, and it has voltage on it. It also has some like 2 USB plugs so I can charge my phone. Then I got this for a smaller USB cable to go from there to my phone, just to charge it as I go. Today's pretty good because I'm like 7% battery. I did that on purpose just to see if it worked. So yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna get the little hub out. I'm not gonna need the cable because I already have that. As you can see here, it's got the voltage, then 2 USB ports. This, I'll just unplug this one, plug this one in this place. It's a little snug. Got 13.9. It's a little off, I think, but see, 13.9. Hello. 13.7. Hello. Bye. She thinks I'm Spider-Man. I think it's close enough. That's awesome. So yeah, we'll put this back. And then this little one. Just tiny. I think it's like half a foot. Just do this. Every time. And I'll wait to actually turn on the bike to plug that in. See if it charges. I think I have some. Yeah. That looks about right. And it's charging. This could be a little cleaner of a setup, but oh, this is one way. Sorry. Driving like a douche. Alright, now we're gonna go find a Starbucks. This is pretty cool. So we were at 7% whenever I plugged it in. So we'll see how far we get with it. And we're not going too terribly far. So it shouldn't be an issue. That actually doesn't look too bad. It's pretty concise, pretty good. I think I did all right. Good for this guy. Just to hit that red light. Man, I got a strong urge to just do like a Chinese fire drill. But if you'd like to see that, leave, let's say, 10 thumbs up and 10 comments. If I can get both 10 and 10 in the next video, I'll do a Chinese fire drill for you guys. Alright, now let's try to find a Starbucks. Ah man, it's on the other side. Let's find a different one. This one's too close. We don't actually see if it charges or not. So we'll go ahead and search for Starbucks. And once I find the one on the map, I'll get back to you guys. Alright, let's check this. 20%! That thing works, man. I like it. Hell yeah, I don't have to wait for anybody. That's awesome. Whew. I guess I'll put gas at the shell. Alright, so I just put in 1.1. This is a 1.2 gallon tank. But as you see now, it goes up. It's full. Good to go. Alright. And from Walmart to here, which was about a 8-mile trip, that went up to 24%. Man, that's good in my book. So now that I have gone all the way back here, let's find a Walmart. Let's find a Starbucks, not a Walmart. I already been to Walmart. We'll go to Starbucks, full charge the GoPro, dump the card, and edit some videos. With that being said, guys, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you have some comments, you can give it a thumbs down, as long as you can let me know what the issue is so I can fix it in the comments down below. If you want to know and watch more of my videos, like the Tag Thursday series that I have going on, where I go and on a forum, like scavenger hunt type game, and I post the videos of it. Subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any of the videos and are notified as soon as I post something. And until next time, guys, keep causing a ruckus. Spouse out. Later. Yeah. Yeah, like especially if I stretch my legs out of the front.
Yeah, okay.
It's a lot easier.
I was just looking at it, I was like, man, it's cool.
Thanks. I'm telling you, people love the ruckus. Alright, I'm gonna put some gas.